Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome to our channel, Family Adventures with Aya
And Muhammad. This is our first video outside the kitchen, and we're very excited to be sharing with you one of our favorite hobbies.
So many kids are addicted to video games, and we believe that if we show you a fun and healthy alternative, we might just change your mind.
So join us on our mission every week for fun, exciting, and brain-fueling activities.
Okay, here's the package. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alhamdulillah. Bismillah. Oh, mashallah.
It's the Paris Skyline building kit. It has over 600 pieces.
I can't wait to build it.
Do you think we could finish this under 1 hour?
Only one way to find out.
3, 2, 1, go.
Thousand years later.
In real life, this 59-floor building has 7,200 windows.
One eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Eventually.
Here's the final result. It took us a little more than an hour.
But it was so worth it, and we really enjoyed building it. We hope you enjoyed this cool Lego video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And remember to get off those video games, turn off that TV, and engage in the activities that will help your mind grow stronger.
إن شاء الله يكون عجبكم الفيديو.
لا تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك بالقناة. See you in the next video.
مع السلامة. This is our first.
يلا.
So many kids are addicted to video games, and we believe if we show you a fun and healthy alternative, we might just show you.
So.